What's up, guys? The Dream Team. We're here with the squad. Right now we're headed to San Antonio. As you can see, Alfredo and Chapa. They're being a little bit childish in the back, but you know, that's how they usually are. Anyways.
Screw you, Pops.
The fuck you say to me, you little shit?
No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, right now we're headed to San Antonio. We're gonna go fishing. We're gonna go eat. And then we're gonna go to Shut up! Yeah, but we're gonna go fishing, we're gonna go eat, and then we're gonna go to some stores. So
we can go to Hooters, baby.
Yeah, we're going to see Hooters. But Chops can't go in because he's underage.
I'm actually older than Fredo. What are you talking about?
No, he's not. Anyways, we'll catch y'all later.
Yo, what's up, guys? We just came over here now. Got the whole group here. Got this man fishing. If you're wondering why he's the only one fishing, it's worse because we're questioning this pond right here. Do you want to take it away?
We're testing out the waters right now, making sure that there's bass in here. But there was a sign back there that said there was only trout, catfish. Yeah. But I mean, it looks like it has bass in it. Yeah, right now we're just testing it out, see if there's anything in here.
We got Fredo right here.
Fredo was just there.
What's that, dude?
Yeah. 20 likes and we'll throw him in the lake.
Yeah, 20 likes.
Yeah, but that's pretty much it. You know, there's some, I don't know, those kind of animal ducks. Are those ducks?
Yeah, those are ducks.
Yeah, I was kidding, guys. I know what the ducks are. I've seen regular show.
Stop the cap.
Nope, that's why he caught some.
Oh, you see a big ass, like 10-pound dog.
We're following this man. He looks like he knows what he's doing. Fredo doesn't know. Look at him. Yeah, guys. I don't know if y'all know this, but he actually wears glasses. He's not wearing them because
he's insecure.
He thinks his nose is too big. Quite frankly, I think so too. Look at the size of that bad boy right there. Anyways, that's it for right now. We'll catch you in a minute. Update. This man caught something.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it looks like this place is a drought. Look at this guy. And this guy. Update, guys. We went to another pond. Haven't caught anything. Tough luck out here. He actually caught two things. He caught that thing in the first clip. And he caught a t-shirt. What a legend. What?
Is it a bag or was it a t-shirt?
Oh yeah, no. Here's the exposement right here. Look at Fredo with his glasses. Looks weird, huh? Nah, he looks alright. No homo. Anyways, yeah, that's what we've been up to for the past, what did you say, 20 minutes? 30?
What's it like 30?
30? Yeah.
We're probably gonna head out, check out a couple stores. Maybe just like one store and then go eat. So we'll catch you on a bit.
Yeah, so, yeah.
Wait, there it goes.
Yo, what's up, everyone? We just got done fishing. We didn't catch anything, but it's all good. Right now, we're at Best Buy. We're gonna go in there, get some stuff, and yeah, we'll catch up to y'all in a little bit.
Hold on. If you're wondering why we're not going in there, it's because we're gonna bleep that out, alright?
Excuse child's language.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Alright, so we're about to enter Best Buy. We got the squad. I forgot my mask. No, I didn't. Alright, we good?
You can't see us, man.
We're about to enter Best Buy right there. Let's get it.
Yo, what's up, guys? As you see, we just got back from Best Buy. If you're wondering why we're filming from the back, I don't know, it's just that it'd be a good angle, but it's a terrible angle. They were doing this again, but you can like show off like our fishing rods right there. Well, technically Fredo doesn't have one. Jacket kind of looks weird. Fredo looks weird. Hey,
You
Fredo.
are weird.
Hey, yeah, I know I am. But yeah, we're fixing to go eat. Where are we going to eat, Julian?
Your mom's house!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
We're gonna go eat at Texas Roadhouse.
Okay.
Now we're gonna go eat at Texas Roadhouse. Get us a nice little steak. So we'll see y'all there.
What's up, guys? This is Dream Team again, and we're here at
Take off your mask.
Texas Roadhouse, baby. Shit. It's litty up in here. Yes, sir.
It's fucking cold.
About to get that lunch on.
Yes, sir.
So we at Texas Roadhouse with Fredo right now. And we got Jules. So what we munching on? I got the bacon cheeseburger with the fries. Fredo, what you got?
I got the sirloin steak with fried shrimp and mashed potatoes and steak fries.
Hell yeah. Chop, what about you? What
I
you
got
got?
the same thing you got.
Hey, we know you got chili cheese fries.
Yeah, those are fire.
What about you, Jules?
Got that nice steak, a little, going with the fries and shrimp.
Yeah.
Chili cheese on the side, yes sir.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you good?
Yeah, we about to munch. Catch y'all in a little bit.
No. Play. Alright, what's going on, guys? We just got done eating. Everyone got a pretty good meal in.
Hell yeah.
That's pretty good. See Chop's back there? He said that he's bloated. Yeah, but Texas Roadhouse is the way to go. Texas Roadhouse. I don't know if y'all can see it, but
There was multiple things in there.
yeah, multiple things in there that smacked. We'll leave it up to y'all to figure out the rest. But yeah, I guarantee you know what I'm talking. Yeah, like Chop said, yeah. Shout out to Cash Nasty. Anyways, right now we're headed to Academy, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we're headed to Academy. We're gonna shop around a little bit. So we'll catch y'all when we get there.
See Fredo.
I might have to cop, bro.
He's going.
Like you cut, G.
Dude, don't do that. I'm gonna throw it.
World star.